Hello everyone, ngasi video ase homework work video ni adudi equipment yaudan kamaina the full body workout the way I do makada semjaba video ni ado exercise among the 45-second exercise tawni adu magi marakta 15-second break rest lawni adu 5 exercise tawni adu 5 exercise ki marakta 15-second break laini ahamba exercise maming jumping jack kawi ase full body workout ni adudi akhoi ahamba sigi se oi jump to bagi mong da exercise ni ase involve oi se elbow amasung full body da involve oi adu elbow amasung leg ta hena jamna effort tawni ase exercise 45 second tawni aduga 15 second rest tawni Matang exercise Russian twist kawi ase abdominal ini side abdominal adu abs su hen hit tawi the exercise su 5 second tawni aduga mark for 15 second gi rest lawni ase exercise akoi lower amasung side abdominal abdi abs ta yamna effective web exercise ni Matang exercise na leg flutter asi ngasi exercise mainly abs hit to exercise ni mathang da atopa body part ki damakta soidina de video upload tawjirakani mayam na su comment tawbiro aduga asi exercise su 45 second exercise tawni aduga malak to 15 second rest lawni si exercise to way damakta mayam video se yengbiu aduga video quality su mathang da ide improve tawna hona jani Muki exercise na in and out ni asiri elbow amasung arms amasung abs aduga legs involve boy as exercise full body the involve boy 45 second exercise tawni aduga 15 second rest lawni Last exercise na plank knee to elbow ni as a man abs ki damakta used to exercise ni Aigi 5 exercise mamang tawibada punna 5 time repeat view ado mark 15 second rest lawa kawigano ado ngasi gi exercise matang ase losinjarage aduga aigi channel se mayam subscribe to view share to view ado mathang gi lakada workout se mayam na karamba workout ado de karam body part hit wening ado gi makada share comment to view aisu mayam angamba aigi knowledge from share to jirage ado akhangba aigi experience mayam da share to na ba so da hona jage please comment over kawigano to like and share to view